Hello class, I will be doing my advocacy project on farmers being underpaid. Just a little moment while this pulls up for me. Great. I believe farmers should be not underpaid. The people affected by this problem is the farmer's family because they are their sole supporter. So once the farmers are being paid less, then it comes out to be that they don't really make a lot of money. Why should the problem be fixed? The problem should be fixed because the individual supplying our food should not be treated like a second-class citizen. Farmers should have the utmost respect because they are the sole provider for our food, and that's why our food are in the supermarket, because of the farmers. What causes the problem? I believe the managers believe since the farm workers are people who do not go to college, they can take advantage of them. This is solely true because most farmers are immigrants and they just have a regular job that they go to, which is farm work, and they have knowledge in that, and the managers believe they can overtake them by not treating them fairly. Why should the problem be fixed? The problem should be fixed because farm workers are humans and they deserve to be treated fairly in the workforce. Farm workers should be the ones that have the most, I don't know how to say it, but they should be treated fairly. What do experts say about this? AB 2757 calls for phasing the overtime protection for agricultural workers beginning next year with a new threshold of 9.5 hours a day of 55 hours in a week, then dropping it annually until it reaches 8 hours a day or 40 hours a week in 2020. Also, being in 2020, workers should be double time pay when they labored in excess of 12 hours in a day. So farm workers should be paid overtime if they work overtime just like anybody else. How has other cities tried to solve this problem? I posted an article from the internet, and according to Ward, other countries organize trade unions. Trade unions essentially are there to protect the farm workers. What have been published about the problem already? There was a bill that corrected injustice written in the Federal Fair Labor Standards Action. And the people that make our food should not be treated with less benefits. In fact, they should be getting the most respect because they are the ones supplying food for our family. I just want you to keep that in mind. Name of invention. My invention is called Turnus Advocacy of Changing Farmers' Life. Is it a new non-profit organization? Yes, it is. Are you a movement or you are a hashtag? Both, I guess. I would say my hashtag is make farmers have a better life. What will your proposed invention work? How would your proposed invention work? I will propose my intervention to work by creating laws that all states has to follow regarding all farm workers must have benefits and be treated fairly even though they're immigrants. So this intervention is put in place so that farm workers it should be against the law if the farm workers aren't treated fairly. And if they're not given the right amount of pay, the right amount of respect, and the right amount of benefits, then that the bill should go into effect to help them. Oops. I don't know how to get it back. Sorry. What infrastructure do you need? I will need to find someone who can make the law goes into effect. So I would need to find like a legislator to make this law go into effect. What community resources are already in place? They already have labor unions for the farm workers in place, like I was talking about previously before, so it shouldn't be that hard for me to pass my intervention. And these are my work sites. Thank you.